Hey, I'm Chris Miller, and this is Artificial Intelligence in Manufacturing, how AI is transforming modern factories for my CIS 110 Introduction to Computers. Artificial intelligence is changing how manufacturers design products, operate equipment, inspect quality, plan production, and manage supply chains. Instead of relying only on fixed schedules and human observations, manufacturers can use information from machines, sensors, cameras, and production records to make faster and more accurate decisions. This presentation examines the major applications, benefits, and challenges and future impact of AI in manufacturing. AI in manufacturing involves computer systems that learn from production information and use that information to recognize patterns, predict results, or recommend actions. Machine learning can examine equipment data, while computer vision can inspect products through cameras. Digital twins create virtual representations of equipment or production systems, and generative AI can help employees summarize maintenance records, create instructions, or explore new product designs. NIST identifies predictive maintenance, quality control, demand forecasting, generative design, and process optimization as important manufacturing applications. Predictive maintenance uses sensor readings such as temperature, vibration, pressure, and operating time to identify signs that equipment may be failing. This allows maintenance to be completed before a breakdown shuts down production. AI-powered cameras can also detect cracks, incorrect dimensions, discoloration, or missing components. Manufacturers use forecasting systems to estimate demand and prevent excessive inventory or material shortages. Generative design allows engineers to enter requirements and have software produce multiple possible designs for evaluation. AI can improve workplace safety by monitoring equipment conditions, identifying unusual patterns, and warning workers before hazardous situations become more serious. Computer vision can inspect products continuously without becoming tired or distracted. Collaborative robots can perform repetitive lifting, welding, packaging, or material handling tasks while employees perform work requiring judgment, communication, and technical knowledge. Human oversight remains necessary because an AI system can make an incorrect recommendation when its information is incomplete, inaccurate, or outside the conditions on which it was trained. NIST, or NIST, states that AI has the potential to improve worker safety, quality control, productivity, efficiency, and equipment reliability. The benefits of AI are largely connected to making manufacturing more proactive. Instead of responding after a machine fails or after defective products have already been produced, AI can identify warning signs earlier. This can reduce downtime, scrap, rework, and unnecessary energy consumption. AI also helps companies respond more quickly when customer demand, material availability, or production conditions change. A 2025 manufacturing survey reported that 51% of respondents already used AI, while 80% believed AI would be essential for maintaining or growing their business by 2030. AI implementation can be expensive because a manufacturer may need new sensors, software, networks, cybersecurity protections, and employee training. Older equipment may not collect the consistent information needed by an AI system. Connecting factory equipment to networks can also create cybersecurity risks. Employees may worry that automation will replace their jobs, but many positions are more likely to change than disappear completely. Workers will increasingly need skills involving data, automation, maintenance, cybersecurity, and AI oversight. I use the same rice-based research request in ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. Using the same request made the comparison more consistent. Both tools can provide answers based on current web information. ChatGPT was particularly useful for developing the presentation structure and explaining the topic in detail, while Copilot provided a separate response that could be compared with the ChatGPT research. I did not automatically accept either answer. I compared the claims with reliable sources such as the NIST, the National Association of Manufacturers, and the International Federation of Robotics. AI is not simply replacing traditional manufacturing equipment. It is changing how information is used throughout the manufacturing process. The greatest value will come from combining AI's ability to process large amounts of information with the experience and judgment of trained employees. Manufacturers that introduce AI responsibly may improve quality, safety, productivity, and competitiveness. However, successful implementation requires human oversight, reliable information, cybersecurity protections, and continued employee training.